Hardwood floor refinishing transforms worn-out floors without replacing them completely. The process starts with a detailed inspection to check for damage and structural problems. Professionals then sand the floors to create an even surface, removing old finishes, deep scratches, and dents. After sanding, any needed repairs get made. This includes fixing water damage and filling holes or gaps. The wood can then be stained to enhance its natural grain patterns and match your desired color. The final step applies protective finishes that seal and protect the wood. In-home flooring uses special dustless technology to keep the workspace clean while refinishing. They use water-based products that bring out the wood's natural colors and provide lasting protection. Their process fixes common problems like scratches and worn spots while making sure the new finish sticks properly to the wood. The benefits are significant. Refinishing makes old floors look new again and protects them from future damage. It costs much less than replacement and helps the environment by reusing existing materials. The process also increases home value by restoring one of the home's key features. Regular maintenance after refinishing keeps hardwood floors looking great for many years. The new protective coating guards against daily wear and tear, making the floors more resistant to scratches and stains.